and welcome to Math Easy. In this video, we'll be finding the solution set of this quadratic inequality. So this is a quadratic inequality because the highest power of the variable we have here is 2 and we have an inequality symbol which is less than. So the first thing we are going to do here is to present this in the form of an equation by changing this less than sign to equal to sign. We are now going to have x squared minus x minus 12 is equal to 0. So in order to find the value of x in this equation, we are going to factorize. If we factorize, we are going to have x plus 3, x minus 4 is equal to 0. So the values of x in this equation is either x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 4. So these values of x we have here are called the critical value. So these critical values are going to aid us in plotting our graph. If you have followed me up to this point in this video, it shows you are enjoying the lesson and I sincerely appreciate you for that. But if you are yet to subscribe, kindly support me by subscribing to my channel. Put on your post notification so that when next I post a video, you will be the first to see it. Thank you. So we have our graph y and the x-axis. Our x values is minus 3 and plus 4. Okay, so because x squared is positive, we are going to have a U-shaped curve. So we have a curve in this form, right? Now we have 3 points in this graph. We have the points above the x-axis and we have these points below the x-axis. So we found our critical values to be minus 3 and plus 4, right? Let's plug it into the original equation. I want to show you something from here. So our equation was x squared minus x minus 12 is equal to 0, right? So if we plug minus 3, we have minus 3 squared minus 3 minus 12 is equal to 0. So we have 9 plus 3 minus 12 is equal to 0. So which makes our solving correct because 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. If we also plug in plus 4, we have 4 squared minus 4 minus 12 is equal to 0. This gives us 16 minus 16 equal to 0. It also makes our solving correct. But our original inequality says that this value here is less than 0. So that means we cannot consider these points above the x-axis because if we do, we are not going to arrive at the values here less than 0. So therefore, the solution set for this inequality is such that x is minus 3 is less than x and x is less than 4. And this is our answer. If you find this helpful, please do not forget to leave me a comment, like this video, share, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.